Hello everyone, this is Munmun, and today in this video I will solve a common question, common problem that we often face, especially law students. And it's for the law students or the students or people who want to pursue law or want to go in the law or legal profession. Guys, I'm also a law student. I'm from Jogesh Chandra Chaudhary Law College. So today I want to discuss about this crucial topic, whether you should choose 5 years law course or 3 years law course. We often get confused whether we should choose 5 years or 3 years LLB course. What should I choose, right? Guys, I have chosen 5 years LLB course. 5 years BLLB course is my course. So it doesn't matter whether you choose BA, BCom, BBA, whatever you like, you are interested in, you can choose that. But the question is why you should choose 5 years. In my opinion, you should choose 5 years. And the reason why I feel 5 years is the best. Number one is time saving. When you choose 5 years LLB course, you complete your graduation in law, you complete your graduation with law in between 5 years. But when you choose graduation differently and differently law after graduation, you have to complete that law subject in 3 years. That means 3 years plus 3 years, total 6 years. Here is the bonus. So if you can save 1 year if you choose 5 years course. That is the most important reason why I have chosen 5 years course. Second reason, when you choose 5 years LLB course, you can stay in touch with law for 5 years. In first 3 years, you will study law. Also, you will study BA subjects or BBA subjects or BCom subjects, what field you choose. And the last 2 years, you will only focus on the law subjects. But when you choose the 3 years course, that means only 3 years of graduation. That can be from anything, or then 3 years. So on those case, on that particular case, what happened, you can't connect with law. You are going to legal profession, right? So why you are wasting your time on those things that is not related to your profession? The 3 years will be wasted. Yeah, it's true that you will get some kind of knowledge from 3 years that you are studying, but knowledge is not everything in this case. If you are really interested in law, you are really wanted to be in legal profession, then you should be in touch with law from the scratch. Got it? So it will be helpful if you choose 5 years LLB course. And next, that is third number, if you choose 5 years LLB course, in 5 years you will get graduation and plus law, and you will be law graduate. But if you choose 3 years law, that means that will be only LLB degree, not law graduate. That is only LLB degree, and you are graduated from the other background that you have chosen before that 3 years course, right? So it is the benefit. 5 years course is BA LLB. You are graduated from law. It's time saving. You can connect to your career. You can get more information about your career you wanted to be. And also law graduation. So isn't it helpful? And lastly, I want to say something more. That is what happens. Some students, see, mostly students have to decide their career, what they wanted to do in their future, in which profession they wanted to be. They want to be, see, you have to decide when you are in 12th. After 12 they have to decide, must. But in case, what happens, some students decide what they wanted to be after HS, what they want to pursue, but after pursuing that degree from other background, not law, sometimes they feel like they are not suitable to this profession. I mean, this job is not for them, or this career is not for them, and they suddenly feel like they wanted to do job. They want to study law, they want to be in legal profession. They suddenly decide after pursuing graduation from the other field, not in law. Then what can be done for them? They can't remove it. I mean, it will be a waste of time if they are in first year or second year in other graduation course, and that on that time they choose law, their time will be wasted. So it is suggested that if you are in the other graduation course, not in law, and you feel you want to study law, you want to be in the legal profession, so in that case, it's okay, it's good to choose the law course of 3 years. I hope whatever I said is helpful for you, all of you, and thank you so much for watching me till the end. Take care. Bye bye.